Hey guys, it's Deborah. In this video I'm just going to talk to you about packaging. Now, most of the stuff that you buy comes with some sort of packaging. This is a packaging from a stencil. I've got some here from Tim Holt's Ideology, and this is one of Tim's stencils, and that's just the pack that the actual stencil was in. Next time you get some packaging, don't throw it away. Why don't you actually think about using it for your junk journals? So what I've done here is I've just taken my circle punch, and I'm just going to rip that off so I can get to it. This nice bit of writing in here. So what this is I've got some English. It's how to apply this thing. It's English, there's French, and then there's some Spanish. So if you just take something, for example, like your circle punch, and cut that out, and now you've got a nice little bit of ephemera to use in your junk journals. And that's all in Spanish. If you wanted the French, you can cut the French out, whatever you like. You can even use the English, of course. So don't forget about using the packaging that's got words on it, because there's lots of nice things you can do with that. You could even get your, for example, a tag, lay over the top so that you can see the words around it. Don't throw it away. Then with these come from Tim Holt's, and so they're nice and grungy, like this. So you could actually put your tag on there, and then you could have that as a background. Or else you could lay your tag so that it's actually off here and use that part of the packaging as a background for your junk journal. Or you can just use the whole page, even the holes and where it's folded over. You could just stick all that down on a junk journal page. The same with this stencil one. This one's quite shiny. This is a lot duller. It's still got some shine to it. That's nice words there. You could cut out those words. So endless possibilities. That could be something you use in your junk journal. Organise, one place. Your creativity, or just creativity. So you could use a lot of these words as well, or you could use this side here and again just put something down on it and cut around it. So don't forget, don't throw your packaging away. Use it in your junk journals. That's all for now. Bye.